Are you a passionate DIYer or a homeowner yearning to embark on your own tile work project? Look no further. Allow us, the experts in shower preparation and waterproofing, to handle the technical aspects while you indulge in the realm of artistic expression. Whether it's a conventional shower or a cutting edge curbless shower conversion, we've got you covered. Say goodbye to uncertainties and hello to a seamless blend of craftsmanship and creativity. Contact Houston Tile Works today and unlock the true potential of your tile vision.